My name is Torsten Elmkjær and I'm the co-owner and co-founder of this company called Nordic Radar Solutions. And we are producing, designing and selling advanced radar systems for military customers and civilian customers. We applied for the MADE project in order to investigate the possible benefits of using recent advances in 3D metal printing technology. This could potentially lead to a huge amount of cost savings and production time reduction of our antenna lines. By 3D printing, we obtain some kind of design flexibility, which means that we can make even better horn arrays than if they are limited by the wire EDM process.
In this project there were two problems we had to solve. First, could we use 3D printing for manufacturing these components at all? And secondly, could we find a material for 3D printing that could be used in the post-processing steps as well?
So it turned out that we could use an aluminium alloy with 10% silicium included. I would say we can definitely recommend to other companies that they should apply for a MADE project if they can potentially see any benefits of using different technologies. That could be to obtain a better product, or it could also be if you consider to obtain some cost savings.